Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we will go through what are the types of processes available in NiFi. In NiFi, to create an effective data flow, the user must understand the various types of processes available for them to use. NiFi contains different types of processes out of box. These processes provide capabilities to ingest data from numerous data systems. It routes, transforms, processes, splits and aggregate data and distribute data to many systems. The latest version of NiFi is having 280 plus processes and this number increases in each release. So I'll not attempt to name and explain each of these processes that are available. But instead, I will highlight some of the most commonly used processor by its name, categorizing them by their functionality. Let's get started. The first type of processors is data ingestion processors. These are the processors which will help us to ingest data from various data sources. As you can see here, NiFi supports a rich set of processes to ingest data from almost all the popular data sources currently available in market. The next type of processes is data transformation processes. These are the processes which will help us to transform data to various formats according to our requirement. The next type of processes is data egress or sending data processes. These are the processes which will help us to send the processed data to various types of destination systems. The next type of processes is routing and mediation processes. These are the processes which will help us to conditionally change the way how a flow file to be processed. The next type of processes is database access processes. These are some of the commonly used processes to access the database. The next type of processes is attribute extraction processes. These are the processes which will help us to extract and manipulate the attributes of a flow file from its content or other existing attributes or both. Usually, these processes will provide with right set of attributes which can be used with routing and mediation processes. The next type of processes is system interaction processes. These set of processes in NiFi supports us to run an OS specific command specified by the user and writes the output of that command to a flow file. The next type of processes is splitting and aggregation processes. These processes help us to split or aggregate data according to our requirement. The next type of processes is HTTP and UDP processes. NiFi can even ingest data or send data using HTTP and UDP protocol. The next and the final type of processes is Amazon Web Service processes. NiFi comes with rich set of processes to communicate with your AWS entities as well. That's it for this video guys. I hope you got a glimpse of the various types of processes available in NiFi. Though the names of these processes are self-explanatory, you will get a better understanding of all of them only with hands-on. Going forward, that's exactly what we will start to do. Thank you. See you in the next video.